I'm Jordy with AT&T Spring, and I'm going to show you how to download a picture from a cell phone to a PC. To do so, you need to access your camera function on your cell phone, take the picture that you want to send to your PC by using the camera, then go to your options from there, and click the Send To link. And instead of entering in a cell phone number like you would to send a picture message, you simply click to enter an email address, type in the email address, at whatever email provider it is, and then the .com, click your options button, OK, and send. So you now just sent the picture that you took from your cell phone to a PC through an email address.